Let's talk about lever. I'll tell you where I believe whales played you guys, played everyone, how they entered, how this played, how this whole play unfolded in terms of smart money. Where did smart come in? How do people trade it? I'll tell you based on fundamental concepts of technical analysis, also other things, how all of this unfolded and where you should buy or sell right now. So make sure you like the like the video, click the subscribe button, get some bonuses from BITGET. There's $4,000 worth of bonuses if you check the link in the description down below. I basically called a lot of trades right, as you can see right here on my Twitter, plus on my YouTube channel. If you subscribe, you see it in the community tab, and this is what we'll go over. The volume is up 3,861%, but real money didn't come in here. So basically everything started with hype. They have some trader incentives that they are running, launching on the 13th of December. That's tomorrow. Basically, by the rumor, sell news, I believe this will be the top 4 lever. This is no financial advice. You can do your own due diligence around it. But we can pretty much see that all of this unfolded exactly as it should be. To be honest, I didn't manage to catch this trade. Pretty much took profit right here. But, and that was before the whole incentive, just from a technical standpoint. But I'll tell you whales that actually contributed to the price movement, how they played this. Sorry, it was an important phone call. So basically, big breakout traders, big money cannot play on the 5-minute candles, right? And my friends tell me that you're too poor trading on the 5-minute candle. So you don't really trade on the 5-minute candle because there's lack of liquidity there. You can try to get liquidity grabs, stop loss hunts, see how price reacts on the low time frames, but big trades are conducted on the higher time frame. That's the 4-hour, daily, or weekly, even monthly candles. Normally, a lot of traders would do the daily. It's really easy with a nice screener. And what they're looking for, big money traders that traded lever and similar coins, are, and what they have on their screeners, after talking with several, is they look for stocks or cryptos that went down by at least 30% in the last 3 months, just like here, right? Top to bottom, 82%. That's in more than 3 months though, but in 3 months it's still probably 30%. The next thing they're looking for is price testing above the 50 EMA. The blue line is the 50 EMA. And then they would try to see a trend break, either a trend break or a small price action break from the highs right here. They can have an alert, just like so. Something like this might happen as well. I don't trade like that. I trade breakouts on the daily, and what they will target is they would use VPVR and stuff like that. They'll probably do something like this, right? From this to this or something. They'll see there's a lot of volume here, there's a lot of volume here, and there's a lot of volume here. So they'll probably take this target. I'll show you how to do this without VPVR. Basically, what I do is, let's rewind. What I like to do is I go over the candles that have the most volume. So you can see this candle right here had a lot of volume, so you always want to have the volume indicator up. And then this candle right here had relatively good volume. That's at a different price spot. This one as well. So those are basically my targets, right? You can have this as well, but yeah, this is just an example. It's basically where the price is at right now. This is where big money, smart money would take profits, and we had really good volume in this area. This was the biggest candle, so we pretty much hit all the targets, right? And you would probably want to take profit along the way. There was a lot of incentive to take profit here because of the on the 15-minute chart we had a lot of profit taking exactly at the level. You can see the red bar right here. And that was pretty much it. That was the first target that they saw that, and how smart money trade this token. We can see a lot of people exiting right here on this next level. Perfect level. It's really basic trading technical analysis. It's not fancy indicators and stuff. And yeah, I believe this is pretty much the end for the level run. We have a double top, heavy resistance. I do not think we'll go above this area right here. Everything that buys here is not thinking straight. And something else that I want you to remember from this is buy the room, sell the news. It's too late to buy now, in my opinion. People are taking profits right here. I would actually be interested in shorting the Leverfi USD pair on Binance. I want to check what BITGET have as well, because BITGET actually, but it's also not a good risk to reward to short it, to be honest. The more I see it, the risk to reward is not there. I want the price to develop a little bit, but yeah, I'll see what BitGet has to offer, because there's a lot of bonuses. Again, you should subscribe and follow me on Twitter if you want to see my trades. I do a lot of trades per month, a lot of trades. Today I entered like 10 or more trades, a lot of shorts for today. I believe we'll see Bitcoin and a few other pairs go down. If you're wondering why, I'll just open up the Bitcoin chart real quick to show you a few things. So basically, we had, I really thought that Bitcoin would pump. So in the during the weekend, I added some longs, closed some in profit, but I also had some hedged shorts. I believe it was 13 longs, 7 shorts. My risk reward is way over 1-to-1, so I am good. And I switched to a lot of shorts right now. The short right here is not hard to see. We're below the 50 EMA. We can see the tops. First we had a failed breakout. Then we have the tops right here and the liquidity. Get it? Stop losses and stuff like that for weaker hands being played out. And the way I would play this is I would target one of these areas. So my first target, which is the easy one, is right here based on the volume. And my most interesting target would be this one, maybe a little bit down from here. It's pretty much like so. Oops, here it is. Like this. This is how I would play the Bitcoin short. I'm not gonna short Bitcoin. I shorted other stuff. These are first a few things that I didn't short yet, but I'm looking at shorting. I have a bunch of alerts for shorts. Something is going on with the internet. But yeah, if you are interested, I can make a follow-up video in the next few hours. See you next one.